Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing Olaplex number 0 to number 8. So if you're interested, then make sure you keep on watching. This video will not include number 1 and 2 because you need to have a cosmetology license in order to purchase those. Please also note that this video was pre-recorded in September 2021. So this is what my hair looks like before. As you can see, it's very dry and so it's definitely time for wash day. Olaplex products are formulated with novel bond building technology, which is supposed to restore, repair, and nourish hair to give shine and manageability. The active ingredient in their products is bis-amino propyl diglycol dimaleate, and this is meant to noticeably repair all types of hair damage. So I'm going to start by using the number 0, which is the intensive bond building hair treatment. This has a watery or liquid consistency, as you can see from the previous clip. It also has the highest concentration of the Olaplex technology. So it's designed to improve absorption of subsequent products and is therefore advised to be used as a primer before applying the number 3 hair perfector. So our hair consists of 4 main types of bonds, and it's the disulfide bonds that give our hair the structure, strength and stability. So when these are broken, you basically cause damage. And Olaplex works by allowing that active ingredient to form a link, or basically act as a bridge to merge 2 disulfide bonds together and therefore to repair any damage your hair may have. So to use, Olaplex recommends that you apply to clean, dry hair and comb through to ensure that all strands are fully coated. So it's a 5.2 fluid ounce bottle and retails for £26. And it doesn't really have a distinct scent in my opinion. So I really didn't recognize any instant benefit from this product. The first time I used it, I applied it to my hair before cleansing as recommended. But because I had quite a lot of product buildup at the time, it affected the absorption of this product into my hair. So if your hair has a lot of buildup, I would recommend to cleanse it first, because when I used it the second time and subsequently, it worked much better after shampooing. So one thing I didn't like about this product was that the applicator bottle came with a tip, and I feel as though it would be better if it had a spray nozzle, because you can apply it evenly to your hair and it's not dripping and running down, and you're using less product and making sure that all of your strands are really fully coated. And I do believe that Olaplex has adapted this, and you can find a version of this with a spray bottle. So I go ahead and apply this all over my hair, and as you can see here, I rub that into my hair strands and I brush it through to evenly coat all of my hair.
Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you?
So I use just over half of the bottle for one application, and after it's been applied and I've twisted my hair, I go ahead and add my shower cap and let this sit for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, I go ahead and apply the most commonly purchased Olaplex product, which is their number 3 hair perfector. So this retails for £26 and is 3.3 fluid ounces. So the hair perfector can be used as a weekly at-home treatment applied to damp hair, or you can apply this after the number 0 treatment. So this is the consistency of the product. It has a creamy texture similar to most conditioners, even though this is not a conditioner. So there's a rinse out conditioner in this line that we will get to shortly. So I go ahead and apply this to all sections of my hair. It has a really good slip to it, so it allowed me to really get in there and to distribute the product all over my hair strands. So on their website, Olaplex states that when used with the number 0, it's scientifically proven to give 68% more repair and to make your hair 3 times stronger in just one use. So this is really incredible, and so this basically means that you really should see some difference in your hair after using these 2 products together. So I know this video was pre-recorded at the end of 2021, however, I wanted to give you guys a very important update with regards to the Olaplex number 3 product. So in May 2019, there was a report by the EU Commission Scientific Committee on Consumer Safety, and this basically is a committee that looks at whether products should be safe to be on the market. And they found that a particular ingredient that was originally in Olaplex number 3 product, which is called butylphenyl methylpropional or Lilial, was not safe, and therefore they proposed to have it banned from all cosmetic products in the EU from March 2022, which is this year. Now, this report basically found links between this particular ingredient and infertility, as well as effects on fetal development in animal studies. It's important to note that the quantities in one cosmetic product were not thought to be significantly enough to cause these effects, but they based the risk on the consumer using multiple products with this ingredient. Nevertheless, due to these concerns, Olaplex decided to reformulate and remove that ingredient from their products globally. So make sure if you decide to use the number 3 product that you check the labels and ensure that you have the new formulation, which does not include Lilia. So this is what my hair looks like after applying the number 3 hair perfector. As you can see, there's quite a bit of definition there. I'm quite happy with how this applied to my hair. So the instructions state to go ahead and leave this on for 10 minutes and then follow up your regular wash day routine. I went ahead and left this on for 30 minutes and went on to my hooded dryer. I just felt as though I would get more benefits out of the product, and this is usually how I do my treatments or deep conditioning routines. So after 30 minutes, this is how my hair actually looks. As you can see, there is still quite a lot of frizz in the front, but as you will recall, the front of my hair is where I had the most damage. So I've been using the Olaplex line consistently for the last 2 years now, and each time I use the number 3 product, it feels as though my hair is getting better elasticity and it feels strengthened. It doesn't ever really feel conditioned or moisturized after this treatment. However, this isn't the goal of this treatment, which I completely understand. So I'll move on to the next product, which is a number 4 bond maintenance shampoo. This is one of my favorite products from this line. It has a very sticky texture or consistency, as you can see here, and a little really goes a long way. That's one of the things I love about this product. A small amount is sufficient to cleanse your hair thoroughly, and so it has a very good lather. It applies throughout your hair. It feels like silk on your hair because it applies so well. Unlike some shampoos which basically feel very stripping and very harsh onto your hair, this gives a very good cleanse, but it doesn't feel stripped. Your hair still feels as though there's some moisture in there, so I really love this. It retails for £26 and it's 8.5 fluid ounces. So a bottle of this can actually last me for many months, because I tend to just use Olaplex once every 2 weeks or once every month in between my other staple products. So a bottle of this can last me 6 to 7 months depending on how much I use, which is really great. You know, in these very trying times where, you know, prices of everything is going up, there's a lot of inflation, you know, it's important that we're able to have products that are economical, that can last a long time, so we can save money. So I love that about this shampoo. The other thing I forgot to mention is that the scent of the shampoo is very citrusy. It smells fruity, so if you're a person who doesn't like fragrance in your products, then please consider this before purchasing it. So this is what my hair looks like after using the shampoo. So moving on to the number 5 bond maintenance conditioner. This is a rinse out conditioner and it retails for £26 for 8.5 fluid ounces. It has a very thick, creamy consistency. Despite this, it really soaks into the hair, especially if it's damp or wet after you've shampooed it. And because it's so thick, you actually only need a little bit for each section. And so just like the shampoo, you really and truly can have this last a longer period of time. So overall, I really love this conditioner because it made my hair feel soft and very moisturized. It also had enough slip to allow me to detangle my hair, which is something that I definitely look for in any rinse out conditioner, because detangling tends to be the most challenging part of wash days. So having products with really good slip helps you to be able to get through those tangles quite quickly and in such a way that you're not causing too much friction and manipulation, which can lead to damage to your hair. So this is what my hair looks like after applying a conditioner. So I then went ahead and tied my hair back and applied my conditioning cap and left this on for 15 minutes. So I really noticed that my hair was well conditioned because there was less frizz and there was definition of my curls in quite a lot of regions of my hair compared to the clip hair that's popped up on the screen where my hair is just after the shampoo process. So I would definitely recommend the number 5 conditioner as well as the shampoo. So you can see here that the regions at the front of my hair, which are usually quite straight from damage, are now curling up, which I'm really happy about. And this may not solely be due to Olaplex, as I have been consistently using the AfroG 2-step protein treatment every 6 weeks, which I've discussed in one of my recent videos, how I grew my natural hair after the second big chop. So make sure you watch that video after this one so you can get the details on how I was able to retain length and repair my hair. So next I'm going to move on to the number 8, which is their Bond Intense Moisture Mask. This is the deep conditioning treatment in the line, and it comes in this bottle with a pump applicator, which makes it easy to dispense the product. So it's £26 for 3.3 fluid ounces. So it had quite a creamy texture, not as thick of consistency as the Rinse Out conditioner, but I must say that I really wasn't impressed with this moisture mask. I didn't think it had that intense deep conditioning property that I would have expected from such a high-end product. So I was quite disappointed with the effectiveness of this hair mask. It really didn't give that hydration that my hair would have normally had after using a moisture treatment. I have other hair masks that work very well even without applying heat, and they're much more affordable than this one. So I wouldn't recommend this product. So as you can see, it was a struggle to get this product through my hair. I think I didn't have enough water in it at this point, so I went ahead and added more water, as you're going to see in some upcoming clips. But I just wanted to show you, this is exactly how my hair was looking. It just was not moisturized whatsoever. So I went in to just wet my hair, trying to get the product to really soak into my hair. So I really went in with my water bottle, just misting my hair with water. And bear in mind that I normally would be doing this in the shower. So just bear that in mind. So after I've done this, I just really tried to squeeze that water into my hair, trying to really help this product work a bit better. So I deep conditioned under my heated dryer for 30 minutes, and this is what my hair is looking like after I've done that. So like I've mentioned before, I really wasn't impressed with this product. So moving on to Olaplex number 6, which is their Bond Smoother. So this comes in 3.3 fluid ounces and has a light creamy texture similar to the deep conditioning mask, as well as the number 3 treatment. It also has that same citrus fruity scent. So I just basically go ahead and wet my hair again and then apply the product evenly throughout my hair. So this product is their leave-in conditioner, and I wasn't impressed with this one either because it really didn't moisturize or hydrate my hair like I would have expected. And if I was going to be doing a wash and go, I would definitely need to apply a more moisturizing conditioner as well as a gel that can help to tame the frizz, because as you can see here, my hair is very frizzy. The ends are quite curly, but the majority of my hair is really frizzy. So guys, we're finally at the final product, which is Olaplex number 7. This is the bonding oil, and you get 1 fluid ounce for £26. So this oil was quite a light texture. It wasn't as greasy as most oils that I tend to use on my hair, so it really absorbed well into my hair and didn't feel like there was this coating. So it's not like a thick oil like castor oil. It's more like a texture like of a grapeseed oil. So very light and absorbs very well into the hair. So out of the entire range, there are 3 products I'll definitely recommend. That will be the number 3 treatment, the number 4 shampoo, as well as the number 5 conditioner. These were the 3 products that, in my opinion, worked really well, and I can definitely see a transformation in my hair after using them consistently over a period of a year and a half. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. Please give this a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out. And also don't forget to subscribe. Just hit that red subscription button just down below and the notification bell so you would be notified of whenever I post new videos. I'll also love to hear from you guys on whether you've ever tried any of these products from Olaplex and did they work for you? Do you think that they are worth the price? And also let me know of any other products with similar bond building properties. I do know that there is Smith Bond Curl Salve, which I've tried before, but if there are any others, drop it just down below in the comments box and let's get chatting. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.